Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. If you have a Dodge Journey, guys, and you have now I'm going to mention 6 codes, but if you have any of those 6 codes, we'll explain how to fix that. So if you have a code P0201 all the way to P0206. So we're talking about 201, 202, 203, 204, 205 and 206. If you have any of those codes, guys, stay with us, we'll explain how to fix it. We have, guys, more than 200 videos on a Dodge Journey, so please subscribe to the channel. Our mission, guys, is to save you as much money as we can by teaching you how to fix your car for free. So if I start this Dodge Journey now, see what is happening, guys. Okay, engine light will be on, engine light is on. Okay, you can see engine light is on, the car is misfiring, okay, misfiring and shaking, feeling a little bit unstable. So what I'm going to do now, okay, we have that scanner connected here. You can find it, guys, listed in the description of the video below. We have the professional diagnostics here, but we don't need it, we just need a simple scanner. We'll go under diagnose here. Okay, and let's go ahead and see what codes we have. Okay, we have only one code stored in the computer. Read codes. This is it, guys, P0201, this is the code. Okay, and engine light, you can see engine light is on as well, so definitely, guys, okay, we have a code here that we need to take care of. Now it says current, which means that we have the problem right now, as of right now. So 201, guys, means cylinder number 1 fuel injector. Now if you have a code P0204, it will mean that fuel injector cylinder number 4 is bad. The last digit of the code will correspond to the cylinder number. Now let us show you now on that V6 engine, guys, where the fuel injectors are. We have a video how to replace them as well. There will be on our main channel, how to repair, guys. Check it out. You can find the video there, how to replace fuel injectors. Now those are the injectors, guys, on the 3.6 Pentastar engine. Okay, this is cylinder number 2. Towards the back here, this is your cylinder number 1 injector right there. You have to remove the intake and all that stuff to get to it and replace it. Okay, quite a bit of work, but definitely you can do it yourself. It's not too complicated. So you have cylinder number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have the cylinder numbering video and all that stuff that explains it, but we'll go ahead, replace our injector now and see if that fixes the problem. So we have the fuel injector replaced. I'm going to turn the ignition on. Okay, ignition on, engine off, guys. Okay, engine off. And we're going to go back, we're going to click erase codes. Okay, it's processing now. Sometimes it might say that it didn't erase them, but in most cases that's just the problem with the scanner, but it does clean the codes really good. So I'll go ahead, start the car now. Okay, and check it out. Okay, the car is super nice and smooth. You can see there is no engine light on, so that definitely fixed our problem, guys. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.